The Indian Navy's P-8I maritime surveillance aircraft has successfully established connection with the distressed ship MV Chem Pluto that caught fire off India's west coast in the Arabian Sea. The ship, caught with 20 Indians on board, was hit by a suspected drone strike. The Indian Navy warship is reportedly moving towards the distressed merchant vessel and is expected to reach the merchant ship in the next few hours. The incident comes days after the Indian Navy evacuated a sailor from the Malta-flagged cargo vessel hijacked by 6 pirates. All crew members, including around 20 Indians, are safe, the officials said. Merchant ship MV Chem Pluto, a Liberia-flagged oil tanker, set sail from a port in Saudi Arabia with crude oil. It was headed for Mangalore when it was struck by a drone in the Arabian Sea, 217 nautical miles off the Porbandar coast. The attack caused a fire on board, the official said. As the vessel sent out an SOS for the fire, an Indian Coast Guard ship, ICGS Vikram, was moved towards the vessel, they said, adding that the fire was now extinguished but the vessel's functioning was affected. ICGS Vikram was in patrol of the Indian Exclusive Economic Zone when it was directed towards the merchant ship in distress and alerted all ships in the area to extend assistance to the affected vessel. Indian Coast Guard's Dornier maritime surveillance aircraft then established communication with the distressed vessel. The ship switched off its automatic identification system used to track the vessel after the attack. The power generation system of the ship is now functional and more checks are being carried out before it sets out for its destination, the Coast Guard officials said, reported news agency ANI. According to the British military's United Kingdom Maritime Trade Operations, or UKMTO, authorities were investigating the incident. There was no immediate claim of responsibility for the strike, which came amid a flurry of drone and missile attacks by Yemen's Iran-backed Houthi rebels on a vital shipping lane in the Red Sea in solidarity with Gaza. Last month, an Israeli-owned cargo ship was hit in a suspected drone attack by Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps in the Indian Ocean, according to a US official. The Red Sea attacks on shipping since the start of the Israel-Hamas war on October 7 have prompted major firms to reroute their cargo vessels around the southern tip of Africa, despite the higher fuel costs of much longer voyages. The Houthi rebels have launched more than 100 drone and missile attacks targeting 10 merchant vessels involving more than 35 different countries, according to the Pentagon.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.